Welcome to Student Accounts from the Office of Business Affairs. This video will show you how to view statements, make a payment, and give authorized user access. First, you'll need to sign in to your self-service portal, and you'll click on the Finances tab and then Make a Payment tab. This will bring you to a page to where you can view your statements. Under your bills, you'll be able to look at your current account balance and view any account details. You'll be able to enroll in our payment plan for each semester, and you'll also be able to give a parent or guardian authorized payers access by clicking on the Add New button. You'll create your own login for the parent, put in their information, and then down at the bottom, click on the OK button. This will send an email to your parent for them to create their own password and have an option to receive billing information and a statement through their email. Thank you.